Magandang umaga, namaste, and today it's Holi. Holi is known as the Festival of Colors, and we're celebrating here in the school. And of course, kids are so eagerly waiting for this festival. It's the most awaited festival among the kids because they can play with their friends, with water guns, with different colors. And of course, hindi mawawala ang sayawan. And here we go. Dance, dance party now. Kiberna, kahit sobrang init yan, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang party. And Elsa's enjoy a lot to play with her teachers and dance with them. Silipin naman natin kung ano ang kaganapan ngayon kay Papa Amit. Oh wow, he is watching Pacers versus Chicago.
Yeah, we are here to watch the Chicago Bulls game. We used to play there a lot.
Ayan, paakyat na sila sa Araneta Coliseum. Ay, United Center pala. As I recall, once lang ata ako nakapanood ng PBA game. Iba pa rin talaga pag NBA games na. Mas nakaka-excite.
It's your birthday.
And finally, the game begins. Mas mahaba pa ata ang intermission kesa sa buong game. Pero sa totoo lang naman talaga, mas inaabangan ng mga tao yung intermission sa break time or sa half time. really amazing experience to watch NBA live. And here comes the sunset, my favorite time of the day. And it means time to wake up, babe. It's already morning there in US. Meanwhile, Elsa is playing her ukulele. And of course, papahuli pa ba ang nanay?
1, 2, 3, go. She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything seems as fresh as a bright blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place where if I stare too long, I'll probably break down and cry. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet child of mine. She's got eyes of the bluest skies, as if they thought of rain. I hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of
And
pain.
right after ng jamming session namin ni Elsa, ay agad naman akong tumungo para tapusin ang aking craft card. Yun lang po. Ingat. Hanggang sa muli.